knitting a sweater, drinking hot cocoa by a fireside. These are some things that just strike me as very cozy things to do, and I've got another one for you, and that's making your own homemade applesauce. Hey, I'm Christine Waltermeyer, and welcome to Christine's Natural Kitchen. If you're returning here, welcome back, and if you're new here, I publish weekly cooking videos using plant-based ingredients that taste delicious. Yes, you too can take ordinary apples and easily make your own applesauce. I'm gonna show you how. So to make your applesauce, you're gonna wanna peel your apples. This will give you a nice texture. If you wanna keep the skins on, you can. I've done that sometimes, but that's gonna give you a lot more texture and good fiber, but generally I prefer to peel them. So I'm using Granny Smith apples here. You can use whatever type of apples you like. And if you see any bad spots along the way like that, you'll just want to peel those off too. Now that we've peeled all of our apples, we're going to cut each one in half. Using a melon ball tool, I'm going to scoop out the seeds. Next, we're going to trim out the top and the bottom. And if you missed any skin there, just shave that off with your knife. Next, I'm just going to cut each half into big chunks. So you can literally just cut each half in 4 pieces. These really don't need to be very small because they're going to get so soft and you're going to mash them up anyway. Then you're just going to place them in a pot. I'm making this applesauce unsweetened, so I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of water. If you want it sweeter, feel free to use a 1/4 cup of maple syrup in place of the water. Bring it up to a gentle boil, then lower the heat to simmer on kind of a medium-low for about 15 to 20 minutes until you can easily pierce the apples with a fork. They should be nice and soft and mushy. So now you can see that after 15 or 20 minutes, these are definitely tender and soft. In fact, they kind of got mushy on their own, but I'm going to use my potato masher just to get it a little extra soft. If you want your applesauce more chunky style, you don't have to mash it that much. And if you want it really smooth, you could even cool it down and put it through a food processor just to really get a smooth consistency. Now, if you change your mind and you didn't sweeten it to begin with and you decide you want it a little sweeter, you can even add a little touch of maple syrup at this point. You can add cinnamon if you like, but like I said, I'm keeping mine just straight up, plain old, just apples. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make applesauce. Wasn't that easy? You too can now feel cozy and empowered knowing how to make your own applesauce. Enjoy! And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And when you subscribe, you'll get notifications of new videos when they come out every week. Thanks for watching!